Good morning, yeah, boo. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheilla Sibanda. Yeah, boo. Welcome to the family. So just bathed, preparing myself to go to work. So I've just washed my face, my body, my everything. So I've just applied the aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. I have aloe vera plants outside, so I've just applied it. I have some pimples here, hoping that they will disappear, but yeah. So then I'm going to take my water. I added apple cider vinegar. Added this apple cider vinegar. Yeah, I'm going to take this on an empty stomach, and also I'm going to take a teaspoonful of coconut oil. Yeah, you know, it's good for your digestion, for your immunity, for your health, for your skin, and I'll actually list the benefits here. So I'm going to take a teaspoonful and I'm going to follow up with my water. Then we are good to start the day. So here is my spoon. Let's take this together. I don't want to say everything, I'm lying to you. I'm telling you, but I'm not doing it. So this is it. It's not nice at all. Just put it through your throat and swallow. And yeah, my water. I don't know what to have for breakfast. I don't know if I can make a smoothie. Oh, I'll do my oats. I bought some nectarine yesterday and they're actually going off. I'm not happy with my purchase. So I don't know if I can make a smoothie on that or just have an avocado. Yeah. I've picked to make this. I'm going to have an avocado. So this will be what I'm going to have for breakfast. Let's go to work together. It is sunny. I wish I could cover my face, but look at it looking pretty. I'm showing my outfit just looking. Yeah. Now we must go for BBL. BBL. It's endless. So let's go ahead and pray. 19th, huh? You share it with me? These receipts were in here. Now my purse is breathing. Like, wow. You know, I was one of those who gets a receipt and throw it away immediately. Up until one day something happened to me and I did regret it. Hey, I didn't realize what I no, actually I forgot that I was showing you the receipts there. What now I don't throw away any receipt before I check it. Keep and check it. So I regret I was one of those who just grab a receipt and throw it in the dustbin. Up until one day I bought electricity. Guys, till today my heart is so painful, is my heart is sore about that scenario. I went back and asked them if they can do anything and they were like, no, we can't do anything sis, we are truly sorry about the situation. I lost 400 rand worth of electricity. Ngendaba zokuthatha islip and shuffle and throw it in the bin. Like, yeah. So now I am really careful. I just load in my purse. Then ngathola isikhathi I go through every slip. Yeah. So don't be like me, please, I beg.